Hey, Haspa here with WTI.
And if you love roll-on antiperspirants, you may love this original Dove one. I love the fact that it's so small, so I can take it anywhere with me. The fragrance is pretty gentle and subtle. I love that. It helps me a lot with sweat during long days. And it's perfect for the summer when we need it the most. And when we're not carrying big purses, it can fit in a really small one. And that's something I really appreciate about the packaging of this product. It is perfect for gym bags and it does the job. That's why I like it. Again, the fragrance is just great. It really doesn't bother anyone around me whenever I wear it. So I think it's pretty discreet and I love how easy it is to apply.
And that's my point of view.